Meaning of letter from America.
Letter from America.
Letter from America.
Letter from America.
Letter from America. Letter from America was a radio series presented by Alastair Cook, a British journalist and broadcaster, for over 50 years from 1946 to 2004. In each episode, Cook provided his personal insights and observations on various aspects of American culture, politics, and society. The series was widely popular and played an important role in shaping the British public's understanding of America during the post-war period. Today, Letter from America is regarded as a classic of radio broadcasting and a valuable historical record of American life in the 20th century.